Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to take off the bottom door molding on Lexus NX300. In this molding have around 5 clips, and I'm using the very flexible plastic. So I just try push in behind. Come on. Okay. And then we need to take off this plastic cover, rubber. Good. And behind that is a number 10 nut Risolite. Okay, and then outside is double side taped, so a little bit not that much easy to take off, but I just popping out first, and then I just very slowly pull away from the door, and I try to save the double side tape, and then I can easily put back and don't need re-glued. So pretty much is on, and this is how need to take off this plastic trim. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Bye bye.